We should be live right now. Welcome. Wednesday, trading the DAX. Gonna scalp it. Gonna be here for 10 minutes maximum. Let's see if we can have some progress above. That would trigger along. So to break down my risk management, how I protect capital, and my strategy is a school run strategy, right? Or the opening range breakout. Forget about this school run, forget about this opening range breakout. It's just to make sure we're not over trading and following a system and not doing impulsive trades. So this is gonna wire our brain for success and set ourselves up for the right things, okay? So do things correct over and over again and focus on what's in your control, how much you're risking, protect your capital. If there's no momentum, we do not trade or we close out and then we re-enter later on when everything is met and things is following our game plan. So if the market is not breaking above or selling below, and it's not giving us the right opportunity, no reason to trade. It's an uptrend, do not go against the trend. It looks like we could take it back, but that's a hope and a think scenario. That's not the reality right now. So market went to 850, 22,850 yesterday, 825, and then we sold back. If you look, NASDAQ is holding, showing sideways market. It could push to 504, it could push to 750. I don't have any feelings, I'm just looking at the market, but I'm pretty confident that it's going to push back to 750 today. I do not think it's going to really sell off. It really depends on one thing. So you can see we're going to have CPI and core CPI. They might need to crash the market. This might be a little trick that they crash all the financial assets to bring down the inflation, and then they can lower the rates, they can lower the interest rates. You can already see what's going to happen, right? Every time we see a massive sell-off, the dollar is increasing, but now it's different. The dollar is actually not increasing anymore. So the market might expect that they're going to lower the interest rates and then everything's going to come back again. So I just think this is a very smart logic move. I'm not saying I like Trump. I'm not saying this is a smart move. I'm not saying anything. I don't have any opinions on anything. I'm not living with hope. I don't live in the future. I trade right now. But what I'm saying is that they're crashing the market because of one thing. They want to bring down the inflation, and then it's going to rally all the way back. They're lowering the interest rates. So the market might find some support. This is not my opinion. This is not how I think. It's not how I trade. I'm just saying, think about it. They're crashing the market to bring back the inflation. So if bad and it's increasing more than we expected, they're going to crash the market. So the market, it's actually very interesting. How can we view this? So if it's going to come in worse than expected, then we know that this is a problem. They might crash the market, and you might see that it's tough. It's very tough, and that's why I'm not a financial guy that's trying to predict this. I'm not trading based on these news. I'm trading on what's happened in the market. I think they could sell off the market more. I know the market is always 9 months ahead. Compared to the dollar, it should not be. To be honest with you guys, it's here 6% down. It should not, if I have to be honest with you, the market might retrace, but let's see here. But that's not why I'm good. But I've just been thinking about it. Why do they want to crash the market? To bring down the inflation so they can lower the rate. It's very smart. So we saw on DAX here a push to 488 strong. Support at 500. Let's see if they're going to push this market back. Short below, long above. Let's see here. We are 10 minutes over, so we're not past 9:15. I'm only allowed to trade after 9:15, but it looks like a long to me. a long. I would like to prepare a quick long here. It's gonna be a quick scalp back to 550 or maybe 575. On this one here, I would like to only risk 20 points to make 100 points. So I will go in for a quick long. I'm not allowed to trade now, and I'll just wait. But it looks like we could go in for a quick long here. But let's just wait. We're waiting. We're following our principles. We're extremely disciplined about what we're doing. Let's see if we're gonna have a break below. So what is my plan? My plan is very simple. We take the 50-minute bar, then we mark the highs. My discipline, my protection of my capital is what people pay me thousand and sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars for to explain. So this is not hard. Like break below, break above long. It's about being extremely disciplined about trading and just wait. So yes, this could sell back. The DAX could sell back to 200. It could also bounce up. I just don't care. I just leave my emotion at home. Like, I'm not doing anything, right? My mindset is I take progress above or progress below with momentum, and I just follow the trend, and I just go with the trend. The trend is your friend. So that's what I do. I'm not here to pretend to be someone. I'm not here that I can predict something. I'm not here with a special fundamental analysis system. I'm not. I'm just very good at managing my money correct and being extremely disciplined and following the trend and accept that I could be wrong. So I expect and I prepare for the worst. And second, I'm extremely good at notifying what I'm very bad at, what I'm not good at. So I avoid doing that, right? I avoid challenging myself on that. So I don't have to make millions of dollars a day. I don't have to make 200 points. I can just make 50 points, 10 points. That's more than enough. 10 points is also okay for me. Like 2,000 every single day. It's like 100,000 a year. It's okay. USD. Doing nothing. But let's see here. It's more like a short for me here. But we have to break below. We have 2 more minutes left. I don't know if they have a reason to really crash the market. Like if this is gonna come in like very good, the inflation is coming down, then they will also lower the rates. They don't have to crash the market more. So if the news is green, it's gonna push. If the news is very bad, they're gonna sell off the market. So this is a very important move right now that are not in price, but kind of okay. It's nothing to do with Trump. This is just inflation is too high. And that's why the rates is so high in the United States, and that's why the tech stocks sell off. I'm not sure if I will trade. I have 1 more minute, then I'll decide, and then I will trade for 5 minutes. I'm looking for a long. Let's see here. Break below here. That's a short. Break below here. It's a short. Just so you're aware. But this market could push up to 600 or 750, but just be aware. So we love the trade right now. The highs is 518, 517. Boof, push, okay, good. Let's see if we're gonna have momentum. No reason to go long here and then get stopped out. No reason to go short and get stopped out there. Let's wait for a break above, break below, take the momentum. Don't buy at highs, don't buy, sell at lows, like wait for progress. Like, yeah, you could buy here, but like, I'm just saying, like, be careful. There's not a lot going on. It's like, it's not a lot. And we don't have to make a lot of points. We just have to make money. I don't care about percentage. I care about the cash I make. Let's see here. And if my first trade is doing fine, like if I make 20 points, 30 points, that's more than enough. That's a lot of money. So if we just quick look, we have a support at 400, big push, got rejected at 550. It might come back again, sell below here, could trigger. Wait for break below here. If you take a short right there, like all the other guys, the other idiots, they're gonna push it back, stop you out. So have a very tight stop loss and go in light. Okay, so it just sold off 45 points. Could be a fake out. So this is more like a long. If we do not break below here, I will go for a long back to this top, okay? So break above here, okay, let's see if we get it below. This could be a long. It's very risky. I want to see it's going to come up now. So this is a stop loss I will place. Going for a long here, guys. It's very risky. Do not copy. Do not copy me. Let's see here. Once we push up, I'll go for a long. Back to the pre-market highs. Going for a long. If we do not break below second time. Break below second time, I'll do nothing. Get ready for a long. I'm buying it here. It's currently trading at 84. Have my stop loss at lows. Let's see. I'm in very light. Let's see. Exit, guys. Exit, exit. I'm done for today. So yes, I could take it back, but it's fine for me. So you can exit now at 510. This is my little secret strategy that I'm not going to tell you about. Okay, that's fine. But you see sell off, there's a lot. It did not break below. This is a genius. I should have hold it. But I'm done. Very quick scalp. I like this.